Holiday season right around the corner. It's time to start buying gifts for your friends and loved ones. But there's so much out there right now, it might be overwhelming for you. So today we got 5 tech gifts under 25 bucks to help you get some ideas. What's up, guys? Welcome to BenderTube, bite-sized tutorials and tech reviews that let you know where you should get it or forget it. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and click for notifications so you don't miss out on anything. Today we're looking at 5 tech gifts under 25, but I'm not doing it myself, so here's RuskieTech with his gift ideas for the holidays.
What's up, guys? RuskieTech here, bringing you guys tech reviews every Wednesday. Now I'm here to tell you guys my favorite items at the $25 price point. My first item is going to be the Creative Pebble speakers. These speakers sit at a 45-degree angle to give you that elevated soundstage and to project your audio further. The speakers also include passive radiators to give you that awesome bass. The best part about these speakers is that they're plug and play. You just have to connect your USB cable and your 3.5mm jack and you're all good to go. These speakers are exactly $25, but you can probably find them on sale for $20. My second item would be the Ifixit 64-bit driver kit. This kit is perfect for computer repairs. This driver kit includes standard, security, and specialty driver bits. Not only are you able to access your Windows laptops, but you're also able to access your iPhones and MacBooks. This driver kit sits at around $30, but you can probably find it on sale for $25. Thanks for the collab, BenderTube. Peace out.
Thanks, Ruski. Those are some great suggestions. Now we're going to pass along my boy El Jefe from El Jefe Reviews with his ideas.
What's up, everyone? My name is Jeff, and my channel's name is El Jefe Reviews, and I'm here to tell you about my 2 favorite gifts for under 25 bucks. So let's get started. My very first one are the KZ ZST earbuds. These are in-ear monitors, and I can't say it enough. The sound quality that you are getting for 20 bucks is just unbelievable. These hands down just blow all the other earbuds, wired earbuds, out of the water for under 25 bucks. I'd pit them against earbuds for 50 bucks or more. The bass, the clarity, the soundstage, it's just unbelievable. And me personally, I paired these up with some memory foam ear tips, and man, when you get that proper seal, man, I can't say it enough. These are easily the best earbuds that you could find for $20. Hands down, no questions. Next up, let's talk about the Spigen cases for the iPhone XS. Now these are also available for the XS Max, the XR, and your Galaxy devices, your Pixel devices, and a bunch of other stuff. Now this one right here, this is the Neo Hybrid. Check that out. Pretty dope. It's a 2-piece case. I've dropped this iPhone multiple times already. No cracks, no dings, no dents, no nothing. This case can be found on Amazon for right around 15 bucks. It varies sometimes, anywhere from $12 to $18 depending on the color and depending on the phone. But easily one of the best cases on the market, some of the best protection that you can find without becoming overly bulky. Look how thin that still is. So pretty good if you ask me. And I've been running these cases for years, ever since the Galaxy S2, so I highly recommend Spigen and their Neo Hybrid series. So for 15 bucks, this has to be one of the best values available to protect your phone. Now before I go, I just want to say thank you to my boys RuskieTech and BenderTube for letting me be a part of this collaboration video. Everyone's channels are going to be linked down in the description box below, so make sure you check them out and get subscribed. Take it easy, guys.
Thanks, El Jefe. Now this holiday season, I was thinking with power in mind. We all know the iPhone still comes with this dinky little 5-watt charger, and it takes forever to charge your phone, especially the iPhone XS Max. So I was thinking about the Anker 30-watt charger with power delivery. It's USB-C, so it charges your phone fast, and it folds up, so it's easy to travel with. I actually have 2 of them. One of them came with my power bank, and I keep it at home to charge that. And the other one I throw in my travel bag when I need to plug into a wall and get my phone going quick. If you guys like anything you've seen here today, links of course will be in the description below, but sound off in the comment section which items you're interested in picking up. And thanks to RuskieTech and El Jefe for joining me today. We actually have another 2 videos out, tech gifts under 100 and tech gifts under 50. I'll be sure to link both the guides and the channels down below for you. And that's it for us today, guys. If you liked the video, if you found it helpful in any way, leave a like, leave a comment, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.